What's cracking? Hopefully not your back. Yeah, so if you want to learn about crypto, reading a good book is a good idea. So a great book for beginners is called The Basics of Bitcoin and Blockchains. This book explains Bitcoin and other digital currencies and how they work. It talks about the technology behind them in a way that's easy to understand. And the author helps you see how crypto is changing the world. And you don't need to be an expert to enjoy it. Okay? Another helpful book is Cryptoassets. Okay? This book goes deeper, and I'll put it all in the description, by the way. The book goes deeper into the different types of cryptocurrencies, like Bitcoin and Ethereum and other ones that people like to invest in. So it explains the pros and the cons of each one, and basically how people think about them and why they're ready to invest in them. So for those who want to learn about the history of Bitcoin, Mastering Bitcoin is a great choice. It goes into detail about how Bitcoin started, how it works from a technical point of view. Okay? And if you're curious about history, like, behind Bitcoin and how it works and the network that it built, this book is a good choice. Okay? Now, reading books about crypto, it basically helps you understand the basics, to learn new ideas and make smart choices when trading. And they're like guides that help you along the way. So leave me a like, leave me a comment, and somebody might start liking you too.